Yep. Okay, we are live, Daniel. How you doing? What's going on? Do you want to test for a second that the sound is good so we won't have technicals? Oopsie, from the technical side. Okay, cool. Yeah, here it is. I guess now hold on, you will see it in a second. There's a quick thing. Hold on, you will see it. Just a little patience. Yeah. Well, okay. How's it going, guys? Michael here, Daniel here on the line, live. Like always, every day we're doing the pre-market preparation in order for you to trade properly for this trading day. This is 14 of June, right? 14, Monday. So I guess we are ready, Daniel. You wanna, before you start, let's give them the intro. Yep. So here it is. By the way, before we'll do that, go ahead and check out the last episode from the podcast. It was pretty good, I guess. And tell us what you think. Here's the intro. Cool stuff. And yes, Daniel, we need to put it inside of the OBS. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead with the news. Do that. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Right. 71. It's crazy. It's crazy. We just like 2 days ago we were at zero. So crazy. Yeah. Yeah. So like you said, Daniel, not a lot of things in the news. It's also Monday, so mostly Monday is pretty weak. At least for the beginning of the day, when it comes to news and stuff like that. Everyone is returning from Sunday, from weekend, and they want to see what will happen. So let's go to the charts and see the futures. Okay, So you are looking at the charts, Nasdaq on top at the left corner, 4-hour chart, and below it the ES S&P 500 futures contract. Um, and we will check out VIX in a second. So as we mentioned, probably the last 3 weeks or so, market looking pretty good to the upside. Made a nice move to the downside after this deviation in the MACD. And as you can see, it's still holding the deviation, a negative deviation. So I'm guessing we will see the drop pretty soon, either from here or maybe just a little bit higher, breaking to a all-time high and then dropping. So we are really close to this resistance level. Maybe if I really need to guess, then we'll see a nice move to the upside to the level that I just marked, and from that point we will drop. This is my assumption, at least on a 4-hour chart, meaning you can see it today or maybe tomorrow, maybe in the pre-market time. And the S&P broke all-time high Thursday, went up, crossed that area, then returned, now playing at the same area. So still looking pretty bearish at the moment, but again, maybe with the Nasdaq pushing just a little bit higher, getting everyone inside and then dropping down. But I'm guessing we will see a drop this week eventually, maybe with some news behind it. VIX, the VX Volatility Index, looking pretty good to the upside, the opposite of the market, dropping down nicely, reaching the 16 points, round number, always good. And we got like 5 days, 6 days until the end of the like the expiration of the VIX. So let's see what they will do. If we're going back just a little bit in time, you can see that I have this channel. Hold on, I have this channel right here that we were traded at, and then it held as support, support. And as you can see, it's been like like 6 months almost that we didn't touch that line. 99% of the time when we have like a major level of a channel that we're not touching it, when we will do so, like the first time that we will touch it after a few months, it will react as support, a major support. So hopefully we will see the VIX reaching that. It's a bit low. It's around the 12 points right now, 12.6. If we will reach that, the VIX will move strongly up, and then the price of the market will drop down. It's a bit far at the moment, but keep that in mind maybe for next month or so. So this is what I see at for the whole week. Basically, we're looking pretty good to the downside, maybe just a little push up and then drop in. Let's go to some stocks and see what's going on there. We'll do that. We'll do that. By the way, GameStop, we talked about it Thursday. I missed that trade, but look at that crazy. Yeah, I missed that short. But we said this is exactly what I said. You can go check it out on YouTube. If it will go to this level, around the, I said 285 or 285-ish, it will go to this level, resist, get the resistance from it, and then drop down. Look how crazy it was. So mhm. Doesn't really matter as long as they're making money, right? Yeah, that's 20 and this is the 50. 200. Okay. We're at 235. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Could be also 50 EMA is over there. I don't know. Yeah, all the way to 130 at least. 135, something like that. Hmm. I don't know. Swing trading it is kind of crazy. Maybe with a very small amount of shares because this is tough. Yeah, something like that. You can look at the 1H chart and the 200 EMA held it perfectly, and also this gap that just been closed. So if we'll drop even below 208, that will lead us at least to the next support level at 185. So plenty of room to the downside if we break in the 208. You know, isn't here yet? Okay. Uh-huh. It's at 51 at the moment, closed at percentage, 4%, 5%. What? Hmm. As far as I see it, we got two levels to cover here at AMC. Either breaking the 42 and dropping all the way to the opening of the gap around the 37, then closing it at 32. One option. The second one, breaking through the 50, and we already did that. At the moment, we are doing that. But in market, if we will break through the 50, then we got plenty of room to close the gap at 55 and then all the way to the 60. So this is what I'm aiming for in AMC. I'm in right now. I actually bought it, I bought it on Thursday and I bought it super late. That's a funny story, maybe not that funny. Um, actually, I waited to buy it around the $40. Okay, that's the lowest that it made. About $40. I waited for all the setup, everything like we do SMM from textbook, and I had to go to the restroom like 10 minutes before that. Now I said, what will happen? It's only, just a quick move to the restroom. Anyway, I got in, I got out. It was like $4 more than what I expected. Yeah. Man, it was a bad decision to go to the restroom and not wait just a little bit longer. So I got in a little bit after that, but still in the money right now, around the $600, waiting for it to break through and reach the 52 and later on 55. Hopefully it will do so. If it will, by the way, if it will break the $50, I will probably get out at least with 80% of my shares because I don't like it. It looks pretty good if it will break the 50. Already marked it. Hmm. I want to see those move. What do you mean? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, right. What else do we have in the news? ELOV? Club. What is it? Same as yesterday close or Friday close. 1470. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, yeah, we gotta have those. Let's look at some up like upgrades or downgrades and see if we have anything there. I see that race Ferrari is dropping down. I hate it as a stock. Go Goldman is downgraded it from buy to sell. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, interesting. Um, let's see if we have some upgrades. CRSP, nah, not a lot of volume here. Pretty quiet, you know. Just as okay. What can they do if you're talking about that? Uh-huh. What else? Okay, what else do you think they can do in order to? Thanks. Accidentally, yeah, sure. Nice. Trust, yeah, trust the government. What else? What else can they do in order to? Okay, interesting. Oof, that's a tough one. Nice. When? 2008, yeah. After the recession, it was, yeah, but on March '09, that was the bottom, and from that point, prices moved high because smart money bought. Oh, that's what they're doing all the time. Uh, I'm looking at the upset, UPST, dropping down right now for at 118. So let's put some lines and understand what we can do with it today. 118 is something about here. And if we're looking at the 1H chart, you can see that we've got plenty of room to the downside. So in this case, looking good just to look for the pattern to short it. But in case we will move higher from 118, then look to short it around the 124. Wait, 1 124 can be a good place to short it. So keep an eye on 124. If we will go if we will go up, reach that resistance level from that point, shorting it, or even from the beginning of the trade, the beginning of the market, if we'll see a pattern like a bear flag or something like that, you can go short probably all the way to 110. So this is definitely should be on your stock list. Which one you're saying? Okay. So what does it mean in general, or today? You mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, I already reached 128. Now dropping just a little bit. Hmm. Moving to 715. Yeah, $2 up. Crazy moves for the last few months. Amazing, actually. Okay, cool. So I think we're pretty much ready. Market is dropping just a little bit. Yeah, and the rest, we still got a couple of stocks we can watch. Make sure you don't fall into the trap of the um like the meme games, GameStop and stuff like that, unless you really know what you're doing. Because yeah, true, because it's a dangerous game there, and there's a lot of manipulation going on. So you gotta wait for the right move and not just try to make a quick buck. So, guys, we'll see you tomorrow, like always, at the same hour.